Hello mga ka-tropais! Welcome to Acad TV. In this video, we aim natin ma-strengthen ang knowledge sa theories and concepts by applying them in the sample problems. Kaya make sure to stay tuned until the very end kasi dito sa PICE-PUPSC Acad TV, we leave no one behind. Have fun learning and enjoy! So our topic in this video is about polynomial expressions. So let's proceed na sa mga sample problems. So instruction, simplify the following polynomial expression. So we have 1 over 2 times the quantity of 2x squared minus 15x plus 40 plus 1 over 4 times the quantity of 2x squared minus 8x plus 16. So kailangan natin i-distribute yung mga 1/2 and then itong 1/4 in order to combine the like terms and then simplify the expression. So unahin na natin itong 1 over 2 times 2x squared. So since magiging numerator nito is 2x squared and then ang denominator is 2, so pwede siyang i-divide by 1. So ang mangyayari, may iwan yung x squared. So x squared na lang siya. And then negative 15x times 1 over 2. So magiging negative 15x over 2. Since wala namang further simplification na pwedeng gawin. So magiging negative 15x over 2 lang siya. Ayan. And then 1 over 2 times 40, pwede siyang ma-divide by 2, yung 40. So magiging 20. And then plus, itong 1 over 4 times 2x squared. Since, let's do this dito sa gilid. So, times 2x squared. So magiging 2x squared yung numerator and then yung denominator is 4x or 4. And then pwede natin siya i-lowest term. Though hindi natin siya pwedeng gawing whole number since mas malaki yung denominator. Ang pwede lang natin gawin is 2 lowest term. So i-ano natin siya by 2 divide. Then pwede siya maging x squared over 2. So ito na yung sulat natin dito. X squared over 2. And then 1 over 4 times negative 8x. Since pwede siya maging whole number, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, lalagyan na natin yung 2x dito. And not the 8 over 4x. And then 1 over 4 times 16. So, pwede na ulit siyang maging whole number since divisible ang 16 by 4. So, ang quotient na to ay 4. So, isulat lang natin yung 4. And then, after this combined like term, so we have x squared plus x squared over 2. So, dito natin siya gawin para mas madali. So x squared plus x squared over 2. We have, syempre hanapin natin yung LCD niya which is 2. And then divide, 2 divided by 1 is 2. And then times natin sa numerator which is yung x squared magiging 2x squared. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1 times x squared, still x squared. And then magiging 3x squared over 2. So, ito na yung second term natin, or yung first term natin. 3x squared over 2. And then sa second term naman tayo, so we have negative 15x over 2 minus 2x. So, ang LCD ulit natin dito is 2. And then divide natin. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times negative 15x is still negative 15x. And then 2 divided by 1 is 2 times negative 2x magiging negative 4x. And then combine the numerator magiging negative 19x. So add yung gagamitin nating operation, but since dalawang negative to, negative din yung sign ng sum. So input na natin siya dito as our second term. 19x over 2. And then we have here 20 plus 4 sa ating last term which is just 24. So ito, pwede na natin siyang i-conclude or i-treat as our final answer, but if ayaw natin magkaroon ng 2 sa denominator or magkaroon ng fraction na terms, so ang gagawin natin is multiply this whole term or expression by 2 in order for us to cancel the 2 sa baba. So 2 times 3x squared over 2 is still 3x squared. So makakancel yung 2 since tinimes natin siya by 2. So, negative 19x over 2 times 2. So, also, makakancel yung 2. Ang matitira na lang is numerator, which is 19x. And then, since ito, wala siyang, yung last term, wala siyang denominator, directly multiply natin siya. So, 24 times 2 is still is 48. And then, I guess ito na yung ating final answer. So, we have 3x squared minus 19x plus 48. So, next na tayo sa sample problem number 2. So, we have here the two terms or two expressions. So, we have x squared plus 3x plus 7 times the quantity of x squared plus x minus 9. So, ang gagawin natin is to distribute or do the FOIL method. So, we have x squared times x squared. We have x raised to 4. So, we add, according sa law exponent, i-add natin yung mga exponent pag nagmumultiply tayo ng dalawang term. Copy the variable and then add. So, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Then, dito din, x squared times positive x is equals to positive x cubed. And then, x squared times negative 9, we have negative 9x squared. And then, sa second term naman, 3x times x squared, we have positive 3x cubed. So, dito na lang natin siya sa baba para mas madali tayong makapag-combine ng like terms mamaya. And then, next, 3x times x, we have positive 3x squared. And then, 3x times negative 9, we have negative 27x. And then, dito naman sa last term, 7 times x squared, we have positive 7x squared. And then, dito naman, into the second term, so 7 times x, we have positive 7x. And then, 7 times negative 9, last, we have negative 63. And then, magkakombine na tayo ng ating mga like terms. So, ibababa lang natin itong x raised to 4. And then, i-add natin to. So, 1 plus 3, we have 4x cubed. Copy lang yung variable and then yung exponent. And then, dito naman, we have 3 plus 7, magiging 10. Minus 9, we have 1. So, meron na lang tayong coefficient na 1 and then yung x squared. So, pwedeng hindi na natin isulat itong 1 na to. So, ilalagay na lang natin yung x squared. And then, negative 27x plus 7x. So, mangyayari magiging negative 20x. So, bakit naging negative yung 20? Mas malaki yung value ng 27 kaysa sa 7 and yung 27 yung negative. So, ayun yung susundin natin sign. So, negative 20x. And then, bring down the 63. And then, ito na yung ating final answer or yung pinaka-simplified form nitong expression sa taas. X raised to 4 plus 4x cubed plus x squared minus 20x minus 63. So, proceed tayo sa third sample problem. So, here we are tasked to divide this term, which is yung 20x raised to 5 minus 44x raised to 4 plus 12x cubed plus 16x squared plus 24x minus 2. So, ang maraming method para ma-divide to, but yung pinaka-madaling method is to divide each term by 4x. So, i-divide natin siya. So, 20x raised to 5 divided by 4x. And then, minus 44x raised to 4 divided by 4x. And then, plus 12x raised to 3 divided by 4x. And then, plus 16x squared divided by 4x. And then, plus 24x divided by 4x. And then, minus 20 or 2 divided by 4x. So, isa-isayin natin siyang i-simplify. So, 20 divided by 4, magiging 5 na lang yung coefficient niya. And then, x raised to 5 divided by x. So, magpa-minus yung exponent niya galing sa law of exponent. So, magiging x raised to 4 na lang siya. So ito naman, 44 divided by 4, magiging 11. And then x raised to 4 minus x, or divided by x, magiging 4 minus 1, magiging x cubed. And then 12 divided by 4, magiging 3. And then x cubed divided by x, magiging x squared. And then plus 16 divided by 4, magiging 4. And then x squared divided by x, magiging x na lang siya. So plus 24 divided by 4, magiging 6 na lang. And then x raised to 1, or x divided by x, is equals to 1. Since 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, and x raised to 0 ay 1. So any number na raised to 0 ay magiging 1. And then here, since wala tayong x, stay lang siya dyan sa denominator. And itong 2 over 4, hindi rin natin siya pwedeng gawing whole number. So all we can do is to lowest term this. So magiging 1 half. So magiging 1 over 2x. So ito na yung ating final answer for this sample problem. So 5x raised to 4 minus 11x raised to 3 plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 6 minus 1 over 2x. Maraming salamat, katropais. Remember that you are never alone in this journey. Nandito ang PICE-PUPSC Acad TV to guide you. Because here, we leave no one behind. Never lose hope, our future engineers. This is just the start.